Hello everyone, my name is Jessica with Crypto News, and in today's video tutorial I will show you how to contribute to Crowdloans for Kusama's Parachain auctions. So if you are watching this video, I'm guessing you have probably heard about these auctions, but if not, I will give a brief intro. Here I am on the Kusama website, and there is a little bit of information about the Parachain auctions. I will leave the link to this below so you can also read as well. But basically, parachains are they're blockchains that are going to be part of the Polkadot ecosystem. And as you may know, Kusama is the test network, so it's almost like a clone of Polkadot where they're able to test out various things. So that's why the parachains are first rolling out on Kusama. And each of these blockchains, for which there will be about 100, will serve different functions. And some of the projects that are trying to get the slot you may be familiar with, and I will show you later which ones are up now that are doing the Crowdloan. And the auctions, I believe, are starting on June 15th, and in preparation for that, different teams are doing a crowdloan to raise money for these auctions. And here on the website, it explains the auction mechanics, and it says that Parachain slot auctions follow a modified candle auction format, with each auction lasting approximately 1 week. To prevent auction snipping, the strategy of bidding at the last moment and promote more accurate price discovery, the exact endpoint of a particular auction remains unknown until after the auctions close. Teams bid by specifying at least one contiguous range of 1 to 8 lease periods. Each lease period is 6 weeks, and the amount of KSM they're willing to lock up for the duration of the chosen range. Open bidding continues for the duration of the auction. Teams can see other bids and increase their bid over time to stay competitive throughout the auction. At the end of the auction, the precise moment of the auction's close is randomly and retroactively determined by a verifiable random function. The winning parachain is automatically onboarded at the start of the lease. The KSM amount that was bid remains locked for the duration of the lease, after which it can be unlocked. Teams can extend their lease by winning another auction before the conclusion of their current slot lease period. So this is the overview of how the Parachain auctions work. Like I said, I will leave the link to this below so that you can read about it more in this video tutorial. I do want to focus more on how you can participate in the Crowdloans using the Fearless app. So I will show you. So here I am, and if you have not set up your Fearless wallet, I do have a video tutorial which I will link in this video and also in the description below so you can check it out. And I have already transferred some Kusama to this wallet to demonstrate how you will be able to participate in the Crowdloans. So here I am in the home screen, and I am going to click on the Crowdloan icon at the bottom. And so here we have a list of the active Crowdloans, and so these are the ones that have started their Crowdloan process, but there will be more. So for the auctions, each of the auctions will run for 1 week. But as far as the Crowdloans, as you can see here, the duration of these are 43 days, so they will go longer. So if a team doesn't get the spot the first auction that they try to get a slot at, then they can attempt to do it again at the next auction until hopefully they get it. And this is how you can help them out by contributing some of your KSM. And since when you do a Crowdloan, your KSM does end up being locked up for a period of time. So the different projects give some tokens or something in return as an incentive for people to help them in the crowd loans. So I will show you how to do this process using Karura, and here it actually shows you how much rewards you can get depending on how much KSM you put in. And for Karura, you do get 12 Karura tokens for each KSM that you put in, and you do not have to have one whole KSM in order to participate. As you can see, I don't have a whole one, and if I put in this amount, I'm just going to put 0.39. It does show that the estimated rewards are about 5.148 car, and the leasing period is 337 days. So this is the time that will take before I can access my KSM again. So just be very mindful of that. Like once the team does win the slot, you will not be able to access your KSM for this duration of time. Okay, so here enter the amount that you're going to contribute, and given that there's a network fee of this amount of KSM, I'm going to increase the amount a little bit, and I think the remainder of the KSM that I have will cover the network fee and any other network fee that I may have in the future. I do like to leave some in my account just in case. And then here I'm going to enter a referral code for bonus, and I'm going to leave the code that I'll be using below. And the cool thing about using the Fearless wallet is that you do end up getting 5% bonus for just using this app. So yeah, as you can see at the top here, so I'm going to click on apply, and in addition to that, if you are an early bird, then you do also get an additional 10% bonus, and that is if you contribute within 3 days of the crowd loan starting for Karura. So you can click here where it says learn Karura's bonuses to learn more about that. But yeah, so I'm just going to click on apply. And as you can see, where it says bonus, it says 0.26 about of car. So that is really nice. And yeah, so something that you can do, hopefully if you watch this video early enough, you can also get that 10% bonus that I mentioned. And okay, and then I'm going to click on continue. Make sure that you're using the correct wallet, and if not, then I would advise you to change that before clicking confirm, because once you click confirm, you are locked in. So just make sure that you're doing everything as you intend to. Okay, so everything looks good to me, so I'm going to click on confirm, and the transaction has been submitted. So right now with the Fearless wallet, you are only able to hold DOT and KSM. In the future, there will be more coins and tokens added, but with the Fearless wallet, you are able to use the same seed phrase for multiple wallets on different networks. So I am not 100% sure on this, but I do believe that because of that, you are going to be able to use the same seed phrase for your KSM wallet in order to retrieve your Karura tokens. And I'm sure that there will be more information released by Fearless or Karura. We will see. And as soon as I get that information, I will also update it here. So yeah, hopefully you will have everything that you need by then. Okay, and that is all. As you can see, very easy and straightforward to participate in crowdloaning with the Fearless wallet. I have started using this app not too long ago, and I am really liking it. As you can see here, there are some other projects that you can contribute to. So I would check these out. A lot of them seem really interesting. And yeah, hopefully you found this helpful and informative, and if so, please leave a like and a comment. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel as well, and if you can, also hit the bell notification button in order to be notified when I release more videos. Please let me know what kind of videos you would like to see me do in the future. I would love to help you guys out with more things. So just let me know what you need help with, and I'll be happy to see what I can do. And okay, that's it. Bye.